Hi all, good morning. Uh, Today it's 4th of Jan, and the university offices are supposed to be open today. I'm going there. I didn't collect my U-Pass after my quarantine because as soon as my quarantine was over, uh, it was Christmas and New Year time, and the offices were closed, so I couldn't collect my U-Pass. So the U-Pass is the bus pass that's provided by the university, right? Our university has tie-up with the BC Transit here, and they give us the pass on discount. Usually, the bus pass will cost you for a month. It costs you around $50, but since our university has tie-up with BC Transit, they provide it to us at a rate of $58 for 4 months, which is really good. And you really need the pass because during the initial days, unless you have a car, you will. I mean, it is difficult to commute, especially in the snow. As you can see, it's all again covered with snow. Yesterday it was all good, all the snow has melted away and we could really walk, but now I think yesterday night it snowed again, and walking on snow is not easy. So to go anywhere you will definitely need to take a bus, going for interviews or going for getting your SIN, BCID card, GIC. So all the stuff initial days you will definitely, though your classes are online, but you will have to step out, and you will need to catch the bus. But yeah, I mean, if you don't have a bus pass, it's going to cost you more, and it's like daily you'll have to, if you're taking a day pass, then you have to pay $4 per day, or if you are taking a single bus, then you have to pay $2, which is costly. So it's better to take a U-Pass, right? I mean, even if you take a monthly pass, I mean, the monthly pass is not worth it, because you won't be stepping out regularly initial days unless you get a job somewhere. So, and the price is too much, right? So as soon as your quarantine period is over, or just before 3 days, send a mail to selfie@tru.ca. I'll share the email address in the description. So send a mail to them with a photo of yours, in JPG format, and they will get the card printed for you. So they did reply to my mail saying that the card is ready, but I couldn't pick up, as I said, since the offices were closed. So they said the card is printed and kept at the bookstore, which is in the campus activity center. And I understand it's a single card, which is the ID card and the U-Pass. So the pass is activated in that card itself, is what I believe. So I will let you know once I get the card and the other processes that I had to go through at the office. I hope the office is open. Yep. As you can see, I have reached the university. To walk a bit inside. I did go to the campus activity center once, but I don't really remember the way now. It's been 2 weeks, so let me figure out that. But as you can see, I'm wearing a new jacket. I ordered, because I got a jacket from India, but that's not much of use for the climate here. So I would suggest you guys to not spend so much money getting all your winter stuff from India. It's better to get things from here, like the hoodie, the gloves, The quality will be obviously different. I mean, if you are buying from Decathlon, might be good, but otherwise I would suggest you get things from here, right? It's all covered with snow. One good thing inside the campus is that they have really they clear all the snow on the walkway, unlike the main roads. Here's a board indicating some of the facilities here, the buildings. So I don't yet see the campus activity center here. I'll have to still find out where it is. So I'll keep walking. I don't see a walkway here. Not sure if it's okay to walk, but I'll just continue. I can see some footmarks here, so someone has definitely went through here. So that's written as Human Resources Building. Oh yes, yeah, I see the campus activity center now. So I'll have to go there and figure out where the bookstore is. So the mail from the team said the card is printed and kept at the bookstore. So I went to the bookstore, but they said I'll have to go to the Students' Union building and check. I came here, but then they didn't have. I mean, they said they just opened and they haven't got the cards yet from the bookstore. So I'll have to come back tomorrow. I didn't give up. I went to the bookstore again, and she said she just handed over the cards to the TRU, I mean the Students' Union. But then she went through the cards, and my card was luckily there. So yeah, finally I have the card. So that's a Student Union building. It's backside of the campus activity center, and this is my card. So hopefully this works. So you don't have to give any documents. You just, I mean, if you have submitted your photo to the selfie mail ID, then and you have got a confirmation that the card is printed, then your card should be here, and they will let you know by mail when you can collect the card. Once you're here, just tell your last name, and they should be able to pull out your card. And once you have the card, you have to just place this under the scanner, the barcode. You have to scan the barcode and just swipe it. That was it. And yeah, I hope this works in the bus. So I'll be a bit nervous when I'll give it a try the first time in the bus, but like I said, I hope it works. Yeah. So I got the card, like I said, and I'm still walking through the campus. So there are two bus stops that I have seen here inside the campus. One is the Dalhousie housing stop, and then one is the TRU exchange. So the exchange, I mean, for the main bus stops or the terminals, they call it exchange. Yeah, like you can see here, there is a main bus stop there. So that's a TRU exchange. So navigating or commuting here is kind of okay. I basically use the Google map, and it will exactly show you the best number that you have to get, right? Okay then guys, I think that's it for today. I just wanted to share the experience of getting the TRU ID card and the UPass. It's both in the same card. It was easy, right? So yeah, I hope you find the video useful. Please do hit like and subscribe, and do share with your friends. Yep, take care. I'll try to come up with more informative videos, right? Short one, but it will be it will have the information that you need when you reach here. Yeah, take care.